Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I am doing my plan with me for the week. I'm sorry it is uploading a little bit late. It has been a very busy start to my week, and so I'm just getting to this. This is Tuesday. Not too late with my weeklies, but I still feel behind, but I have been keeping up with my daily section. So I just wanted to show you what I've been doing. I've been doing the same thing with today prompt and other news, a little drawing in a Bible verse or a quote from a song. So that's basically what I've done all this week. There was some personal stuff here, getting into some real raw emotion, which I think has been really good for me, is writing in other news, like what is going on with my life and how I'm feeling. So that is what my daily section has looked like. I am ready to jump into the weekly. So let me put you on fast forward and I will start working. Okay, so like I said before, it is Tuesday afternoon, so I'm actually going to fill in everything that I did yesterday because Monday was a pretty crazy full day. But I do always make my to-do list on the side. Yesterday, we didn't do any homeschool unless we want to call it history. I mean, I guess you could, but it was Martin Luther King Day and also Inauguration Day. And so the kids and I decided to sit down and watch a good portion of the ceremony of the inauguration. And we had some good discussions about that. So we're going to call that school, I guess. But no like technical book school that we had. So I have that little sticker right there. Now, if you have any questions, actually all of my stickers are either from Once More with Love or the Comfy Monsters Co. So you can check those stores out. I am not affiliated with either one. I am just in love with them both. And so I had these 4th of July stickers. I had purchased an Oops package from Once More with Love, and that was such a fun package to get in the mail. I think I picked 10 stickers, and you get like a super big discount on those stickers because they're not absolutely perfect, but I honestly couldn't see any problems or issues with any of them. So if you want like a random surprise mail, an Oops package from Once More with Love might be up your alley. But anyways, they had little 4th of July stickers, so they actually went perfect with on Monday having the inauguration. I put those 2 little guys right there. I also am doing a book study of this new book from Crossway. It is called Fruitful. It was actually a gift from Crossway to all my retreat goers last fall, and so it is about cultivating a spiritual harvest that won't leave you empty. And so I'm reading that together with a friend and doing a little discussion once a week. So last night was about love and how we can be loving even when we don't feel loved back. And so there actually, you know what, let me give you a little quote because there was a really good quote in here. Actually, I have to open up my Bible or book, to see. But it says, true love is too fixated on Jesus to be filled with thoughts of self. And there was another quote, our position in Christ changes our posture toward one another. Rather than looking at others with thoughts of self, how can you help me? How can you make me look good? How can you make me feel good? How can I use you to feel more secure? We ask God, how do you want me to share your love with this person? How can I encourage and support her? What does she need from me? We move toward others with a self-forgetful love. And so anyways, if you haven't seen that book, definitely pick it up if you are wanting to, like it says, cultivate a spiritual harvest that won't leave you empty. So yeah, very, very good. It's split up like almost like a devotional day by day. It's 40 days worth. But anyways, that was a lot of me talking about that book, but it's a great book to grab. Wednesdays are our crazy day because we have My youngest has dance, my middle has ninja class right after that, and I also have to, fit in homeschool. And also this Wednesday we have a release from By the Well for God. By the Well for God is the Bible journaling and devotional kit company that I work with. I absolutely love them. They have a new kit releasing this Wednesday called Together, so make sure to check that out. I have it down in my links down below in the description if you want to check that company out. They are amazing. And then I'm making some bolder titles for things that are sticking out to me, like church, crazy day, film day, all those kind of things. I'm using my Tombow Funosuke brush pen for that. On Thursday and Friday, I hope to actually feed my family. No, in all reality, they do get fed Monday through Wednesday too. It's just those are our crazy days. And so on Thursday and Friday, I have a little bit more time to prep and plan like a nice dinner for all of us instead of just trying to run around like a chicken with my head cut off. I check back on my previous week just to make sure I'm not missing any activities. We've recently added a good amount of activities for all the kids, and it's hard to not forget those things. So I'm just trying to make sure. Obviously, this page will get even more filled in as the week goes on. Like I said, Monday through Wednesday looks like a crazy hot mess, and then Thursday, Friday, it slows down a little bit, but those will get filled in as well. But guys, this is it. If you've enjoyed this plan with me, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. See what other crafty stuff I have in the videos here on YouTube as well. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a good week, guys. Bye.